What we're going to show you is how to remove the plastic pieces surrounding the ignition switch to get access to the plugs. The first thing you're going to want to remove is the cluster bezel right here. From the top, you can just slightly pull down, or with your plastic tool, just go from side to side. The bottom part of it, you're just going to pull out gently on both sides. Just pull this piece right over the steering. The next piece we're going to remove is the steering wheel shroud right here. From the top, you're going to push the two plastic pieces inwards towards each other and pull it out lightly. By lifting up the steering, we're going to access the bottom piece of this plastic, which we're going to pull towards you and just put it over the steering. This piece will remain here. Now the plug that we need to get to in the ignition switch is right back here. To make it easier, we're going to unscrew the ignition switch here and just turn it around so we can get access to it. We're going to pull off the keyless go button. Unscrew the ring. Now from holding from the back and pushing from the front with your thumb, just slightly push it backwards and the switch will come out. Now gently turning it around, now we've got access to our plug. Using a little flat screwdriver, you can just slowly press down on the lock pin and pull out the connector. Now you're ready to plug your T-harness.